So drug companies don't want to provide the execution states their drugs. That's interesting. It's like it gives them a bad name, huh? These drugs originally were designed to aid people to like help them enhance their health, maybe help them sleep or take away some kind of pain, but they're being used by execution states to kill people. And the drug companies just don't like that reputation. Oh, that's too bad. That's what a drug is. It's not really designed to help people anyway. I mean, it's a very temporary solution, and I think it's great that these execution companies or execution states have been proving that the drugs really are harmful, especially when overdosed. Any drug is bad. It's been shown time and time again. Uh, I mean, they ban drug after drug because they've shown to have bad side effects, and for the execution states to like Texas to use them and really show that how bad the drugs are by using them to kill prisoners is really interesting. A lot of these drugs are pulled from plants, just regular plants. 70. There's a statistic: 75% of the drugs are taken from plants. They're extracted. It's just like taking methamphetamines. It comes from the ephedra plant in the deserts of the Southwest, and it's better. It's more efficient to actually extract the ephedra plants for their methamphetamines, their amphetamine properties, than it is to try to make a synthetic alternative. You can get it cheaper and it's more and in a larger dose straight from the plant. I'm not exactly sure what these prisoner death sentence drugs are, but there's a really good chance they're coming from some kind of a plant. I'd have to research it. That's something I want to do. Take some time to research it a little closer. But there's really a good chance. A lot of this all comes down to that. And then even if it isn't exactly taken from a plant, it could be just a synthetic that of a derivative, something that was found in a plant that the companies decided to just make a synthetic version, which is a much more expensive version and may not be the best solution, most economically best solution. But yeah, drugs used to kill people. I mean, that's hurting the drug companies' sales, and they're trying to scale back on that. It's just like beforehand when they used electricity to kill people, and all of a sudden electricity got a bad reputation for serving as an enhancement for health. Then they stopped that, turned to drugs, and well, it seems like drug companies are still doing pretty good, but I mean they probably see the bad reputation. If they could probably see that if they could remove that bad reputation, they could probably do better in their sales by just eliminating and not providing any the execution states with these drugs. The reason I'm bringing this up is I was listening to Rachel Maddow, and she was talking about some state was going through a black market to buy some drugs to kill prisoners. They're resorting to that, or they're switching from one drug to the next. But she said, I believe all these drugs have been proven to aid people to actually enhance the health. But that's in smaller doses. In larger doses, they'll kill you. And it's an extract, and extracts just need to be made illegal. It's like with sugar extracts. I mean, they're causing a lot of harm to people. Addictions and overdoses just make things worse with that.